energy hubs. Stay with us as we uncover how this all started, who's involved, and what this could mean for Jamaica's future, both the good and the bad. For decades, Jamaica's economy has been tied to tourism, bauxite mining, and agriculture. Millions of tourists visit every year, bringing in billions of dollars. But most of that money stays in the tourism sector and doesn't always reach ordinary Jamaicans. Meanwhile, the global energy market has always been dominated by giants like Saudi Arabia, the United States, and Venezuela. Few people ever imagined Jamaica, a smallest land in the Caribbean, would even be part of that conversation. But beneath Jamaica's waters, geologists and energy experts have long suspected something big. Seismic surveys going back decades hinted at unusual formations deep beneath the seafloor. Formations that often signal the presence of oil and natural gas. For years,